As a blizzard batters the state of Iowa, a man named Jermaine Shetworth Ware allegedly launched a crime spree, attacking two good Samaritans who came to his aid. The incident began when a motorist stopped to assist the 28-year-old Ware, who then violently assaulted the driver and attempted to steal the car. Failing in his first attempt, Ware ran along the highway and flagged down another driver, this time a 50-year-old woman, who let him into her car only to experience a terrifying ordeal. Ware's paranoid behavior led to a struggle, causing the driver to pull over. During the altercation, he slammed her into the roadway, bit her hand to get her car keys, and eventually stole the vehicle. An Iowa State Patrol trooper later intercepted the stolen car, leading to Ware's arrest at gunpoint after a brief pursuit. Authorities are now reporting that Ware appeared to be under the influence of drugs and behaved aggressively. Now facing charges including theft, robbery, and operating under the influence, Jermaine Ware is being held without bail in the Polk County Jail. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the risks involved when attempting to assist others in challenging situations. Stay with us for further updates on this developing story.